Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your twin flame soulmate reading for the month of June. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign, and I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Okay, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of June, which I need to deliver to Aquarius. Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages? Please give me the messages. So the first card for you is Unfinished Symphony. Okay, Unfinished Symphony, Yin, Observer, Breathe. Okay, let me see one more card. One more message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. TikTok, divine timing. Okay, so you have to right now rest and wait for the divine timing. Okay, Yin is something who has to be who do not have to take action right now. You don't have to take any kind of action here. Okay, just observe the situation here. Okay, observer, deep knowledge, deep knowing, see the situation from a higher perspective. Okay, see the things from a higher perspective, observe the situation, breathe, and wait for the divine timing, wait for the TikTok. Okay, right now you don't have to do anything, just relax and see the picture here, see the be the observer. Okay, and wait for the divine timing here. Okay, so that's the message which I'm getting here for you. Let me see 5 messages. There is some unfinished symphony which is happening here. That is some kind of karmic cycle which needs to complete here, and that will complete. Okay, what are the 5 messages for this reading, Aquarius twin flame? Balance, please give me 5 messages. Destiny, choose wisely, 2 more. Spiritual strength, 1 more. Give me 1 more message. Okay, so financial and material changes. Bottom of the deck, I am having power. Okay, strength. Keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Okay, right now you do not have to do anything. Maybe right now you have many choices to choose. Okay, but you have to choose wisely. Maybe you have many options to choose for your life, but you have to be choose wisely. Be observer and then choose. Okay, take a breath, relax, and choose wisely. Okay, observe the situations, observe your choices, and then choose. And here I'm having destiny here. So this is the world card, the universe, the completion here, unfinished symphony. See, so whatever unfinished symphony is happening in your life, okay, that is going to complete. Okay, this unfinished symphony is going to bring balance in your life. Can you see here I'm having that number 10 and here I'm having 11. So this unfinished symphony is going to be completed. Okay, you will close out this cycle, and that's your destiny, that's written in your destiny. And after this situation you will get the balance here. The balance is coming in your life. Right now you have to breathe because spiritual strength is coming towards you. Okay, you are becoming spiritually more aware. Okay, the spiritual strength is here, so you need to be breathe. Lot of green energy I can see. Okay, spend some time in nature. And here I'm having financial and material changes. So you are going through a change. Okay, 5 number is all about changes. So big happy positive changes are going to come in your financial life also, but that will be the positive changes. Okay, so don't worry about it. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see one message from the true love. Okay, no. Let's start again. Give me one message. Give me one message. See, again, this was spiritual maturity, spiritual strength. I was saying you this, that spiritual strength, spiritual maturity is coming for you here, Aquarius. Okay, you're becoming more spiritually mature. So that was the message which I was getting here from this deck too. And there is chivalry, so there is someone who is coming towards you with a lot of love. Okay, chivalry is someone who is very lovable, who respects women. Okay, who loves to give love. That's something which I'm getting here for you. So there is someone who is coming towards you to give love. Okay, but this will come according to the divine timing. So right now you have to wait, observe the situation, have patience. Okay, keep your strength with you here. So let's see what is the message for you from the angels. Give me one message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of June. Transformation. See, beautiful message. You're going through a transformation period. Okay, so just you need to be have patience, because transformation is always beautiful. Just sit back and relax and enjoy your transformation. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the angels and sisters. One message. Air guardian, shift your perspective. See, this was the same thing. You have to see the picture from a higher perspective. Air guardian is here. That's what I told you. Be the observer. Okay, see the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, can you see the both color? The color is brown here. Okay, just be the observer and see the things from a different perspective. Shift your perspective. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from angels answers. One message for this reading. Abundance. Beautiful. Lot of abundance is coming towards you. Okay, there was a message that financial and material changes are going to happen in your life. Okay, and these changes will be beautiful. I can say that for you. Okay, these changes will be beautiful. Lot of abundance, positivity is coming towards you in the month of June. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the whispers of love. Please give me one message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Okay, I need one message. So physical touch, a tender touch can mean so much for you. Okay, so this is the same message. Someone is coming towards you with a lot of love, and a physical touch can mean a lot to you. Okay, someone is coming towards you with a lot of love. Knight of Cup energy is here. Okay, lot of love, loyalty, romance is coming towards you. There is someone who is very gentleman. Okay, gentleman towards you. There is a gentleman who is coming towards you with a lot of love, respect. So there is someone who is coming towards you, and a physical touch will mean so much for you. So that's the message I'm getting. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Lovers Oracle. What is the message for this reading? Please give me one message. Okay, I got many messages actually. I'll take it. The message for you is romance. Cupid arrow strikes. Okay, lot of romance. I told you, lot of romance is coming towards you. This is someone, Knight of Cups energy. Lot of romance is coming in your life. Chivalry, romance, gentleman in the month of June. Okay, and that will be your soulmate here. Can you see? That will be a soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. Okay, so for some of you Aquarius, this is your soulmate. This is your soulmate which is coming for you. This is healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed at very this moment. Can you see how beautiful this is? So this is the thing which you require healing, and healing you can heal yourself in and even your partner too. Then there is reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. Right now, you just have to sit back, relax. You don't have to take any kind of action. Be the observer, breathe, okay? Breathe, relax, spend some time in nature, be the observer here, okay? Everything will happen, everything, and have faith that everything will work out according to the divine timing for the best, okay? So that was the message which I am getting here. Let's add one message. What is the thing which you need to surrender for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Surrender to the divine timing. See, same message. You need to surrender to the divine timing, the TikTok, the divine timing, okay? So sometimes divine timing may be different from your ego timings. If a goal is not manifesting fast enough according to your ego, be patient and trust the universal flow. So you have to keep the trust and surrender to the divine timing here, Aquarius. Okay, so there is a divine timing which is going to come for you, but right now you have to wait for that divine timing, okay? Surrender to effortlessness. Stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force the river. So maybe you are thinking that this is not going to happen and why this is not happening. So don't think like that way. Thing will happen according to the divine timing. You have to keep patience here, Aquarius, okay? Let's add 2 or 3 messages. See, patience, I just told you, have patience, okay? Keep patience. This situation, divine feminine. Wow, I'm going to take these cards, okay? This situation requires more time, okay? 1155 was the recording reading time. Divine feminines, you have to keep patience here, okay? Have patience. This situation requires more time. Please give me 3 more messages for this reading. See, I love you. Your counter 1212 was the recording reading time. They are trying to reach you. Your divine counterpart is trying to reach you, okay? Whether you are in twin flame journey or the soulmate journey, okay? So this is beautiful. So there is dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. So maybe in your dreams you are watching, you are meeting your divine masculine, okay, or the divine feminine. Pay attention to your dreams. Maybe they're trying to contact you, Aquarius, through telepathy, through the 5D, okay, through the dream. So maybe they can come into your dreams and say, I love you, Aquarius. So they're trying to contact you here, and there is a commitment. Let's get together forever in this 3D world too. So there is a commitment. There is someone who is coming towards you. There is a commitment which is coming for you, okay? So that's beautiful, I can say that. So let's see more messages from this twin flame deck. What are the messages? 1 minute. Please help me out to deliver. Give me 5 messages. Please give me 5 messages. This message is repeating again. Shield yourself. Protection from harness and negativity. So protect yourself, okay? Set up healthy boundaries around yourself from the negativity here. And these are too many messages, so I'm not going to take it, okay? There is new doors opening up for you, okay? Embrace change. Opportunities are coming for you. New doors are coming for you. Please give me 3 more messages for this reading. What is the message? What is the message for this reading? See, again, so many messages. No. Please give me 3 messages for this reading. Please give me 3 messages. 1 more message. Give me 1 more message. Please give me 1 more message for this reading. There are 2 messages. 1 message. Please give me 1 message. I'm going to take it now, these cards, because every time I'm getting the 3 messages, 4 messages, 8 messages. So maybe you are having more messages. Okay, wow. Wow. See, the same messages are here. I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you, Aquarius. That's beautiful. They are trying to reach you here. Okay? They are trying to reach you through 5D, through dreams, through telepathy. And they're trying to say you, I love you, Aquarius. That's beautiful. Okay, right now there are moon energies being affected by lunar cycles. So you are being affected by the moon cycles here. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting. That's why here I'm having the shield yourself from the negativity and hardness. You can do your moon meditation, cleansing of body, mind and soul. Okay, so here I'm having that messages, and here I'm having the same message of patience. This situation requires more time. 1616 is the recording reading time. Okay, be the yin. Okay, have patience, be the observer, wait for your divine timing here. Okay, so that's the same message I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. Okay, this situation requires time. Then there is here Heroes, Gamos, Twin Flame, Soul Merge. So maybe many of you are going to get your commitment, okay? Going to get your marriage proposal in the month of June. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you get that. Your commitment is coming, your marriage proposal is coming. Then I am having eternal connection. Spend some time with your twin souls. So there is someone who is coming towards you with lot of love. Okay, with the physical touch. You both will meet in person. Okay, so spend some time with your twin soul. That's the message I'm getting here. So that's beautiful, I can say that. And this one is so beautiful. They're trying to reach you out. Okay, can you see? Same message from the 2 different decks. I love you. I love you, Aquarius. They want to say that. But right now you have to keep patience, Aquarius. Have patience. Okay, so that was the message which I was getting for you. And that was beautiful, I can say that. Okay, let's see more messages. Let me make some space. For some of you, this can be your soulmate. Okay, for some of you, this can be your soulmate. Let me make some space. Okay, let's see the life purpose. What is your life purpose? Please give me the life purpose for this reading. For Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading. What is the life purpose? Okay. So I am having 3. So maybe some of you are having crystals. Okay, your connection to crystals and gemstones is a channel for healing energy. Okay, 1916. So crystals are important for some of you. So connection with crystals is important for you, and that's your life purpose here. And there is trust. Trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. So maybe you pay attention to your dreams. That's the same message. Trust your dreams. So that will guide you to your career path. And there is sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. Okay, so these are the messages which I'm getting here for you. Let me add one message from the power of love. One message for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading. Respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. So respect is the message which I'm getting here for you, and that's beautiful. Thank you for giving me message. Let's see the message from this deck. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the message. Lovers. Wow. Okay, see, marriage. Many of you are going to get marriage with your divine counterpart. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you get your marriage proposal, okay, from your divine counterpart. You're going to get marriage proposal, that is for sure. The change is coming for you, and if you're going through some kind of bad health, that is going to be change here. Okay, 2112 is the time. Here I'm having the lovers, okay, and here I'm having the jurisdiction. So this card for me in this deck is that divine is making a judgment for you. This is the judgment card, that you both belong for one another. Okay, maybe you are seeing lot of 111. You will receive some kind of message here, some kind of message from your divine counterpart, from your twin flame, from your soulmate. So these are the messages which I'm getting here for you, Aquarius, and that's beautiful. Let me add one message from angels, dancing with angels. Please give me one message. Please give me one message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of June. Okay. Lazy and laid back. Angels wants you to drop your lazy tendencies. Pray for their help so that you can give 100% work towards your ambition. So this is the message which I'm getting here for you, Aquarius. That's beautiful. Let me add some message from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What is the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me one message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What is the message you want me to deliver? So many. I do not know, but why I'm getting today so many messages for you, Aquarius. Okay, so I'm going to take it now, this. Okay, so go with the flow. That's the same message which I'm getting here for you. Reassess, go with the flow. Okay, just sit back and relax. Go with the flow, be the observer, and there is pick up. Okay, so this is the message which I'm getting here from the Divine Energy Oracle deck, and thank you so much, Divine Energy Oracle deck, for this reading, for this message. Now let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs which Aquarius are dealing with? Please give me the signs. What are the signs with Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading here? Please let me know. What are the signs? What are the signs here? Okay. So there can be a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, this can be a possibility. So this can be a possibility. Okay. So there can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That can be a possibility. There can be a fire sign, Aries and Leo, and there can be a Gemini and Libra. Okay, so these are the signs which you may be dealing with, and here the rain is being started. Beautiful weather. Let me see more signs which I'll let you know. What are the signs which Aquarius is dealing with? Okay, so there can be an earth sign. Okay, this can be the element. Okay, there can be a March baby, so either this is your partner's month. There can be an Aquarius here. There can be Leo. There can be a Scorpio here. There can be air and fire element here. So this was your reading for the Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. You can let me know in comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.